My name is Alex Wharton. I'm a writer, a poet, author and singer-songwriter, and I'm the current Children's Laureate of Wales, which means that I'm an ambassador for empowering children to read all of Wales, read it for pleasure, write it as a method of self-expression and therapeutic practice, all of those lovely things. So it's been a real pleasure to be here today at this Windrush event. My dad has hosted this event. Paternally, my granddad, Sonny Wharton, came to the United Kingdom in the early 60s on the SS Montserrat, so obviously we're a Windrush generation, and then he came over and he saved enough money to get my nan over, and now, you know, this is where my family has roots. My other half of my family maternally are from the South Wales Valleys and Port Talbot, tin plate workers, all those things. So it's a really lovely fusion of histories and demographics and all those lovely things. But we've been, I think my granddad came here to give his children good opportunities. And as far as working with in our family, all of us kind of been through university, and we're all doing our best to inspire the communities and give back. Really, it was always about, I think, integration and it's about coming here and I suppose learning to live a new life. I think it's so important to recognize, those who came over, including my nan and my granddad. They came over, they had it hard. It wasn't easy when they came here. They were promised things, and I think when they reached Britain, they wasn't really aware that there was going to be racism and those kind of things. I suppose they came to help because they were asked to. But nevertheless, my nan and my granddad and all my family are kind of proof that they've given to the community. My nan fostered for over 30 years, my dad, and everything that we've all done as a family has continued to be professional and we love to just give to the community. So, but I think that kind of work ethic comes from and my grandparents, and I think that's a really wonderful thing. They're a very important generation for us to be reminded and getting them here together today on days like this, Windrush celebrations, to show them that what they did mattered and we appreciate it. So I'd just like to say a huge thank you for Cwmbran Community Council for recognising the importance of this historic event and how important it is as well to the Windrush community. It's a real celebration. It's a pleasure to be a part of it.